In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly manage your notifications within Basecamp, ensuring you stay informed without becoming overwhelmed. Let's dive in and find the right balance for your notifications so you can remain productive without constant interruptions. To begin, the first step is to log into your Basecamp account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find your avatar or profile picture. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu provides quick access to your settings, personal information, and other Basecamp tools that you might need. From the drop-down, search for the option labeled Change Your Notification Settings, or something similar. This is your gateway to customizing exactly how and when Basecamp communicates updates to you. On the notification settings page, you'll encounter a range of options designed to help you tailor your experience. This page is divided into different sections based on the type of notification, making it straightforward to adjust only what's necessary. Starting with email notifications, you have two primary choices. If you thrive on staying constantly in the loop, choose the Everything option. This will ensure you receive alerts for all updates, whether they're messages, to-dos, comments, or events. For those who might find that too much, the Only Pings and @Mentions option is a more selective choice, focusing on crucial interactions directed specifically at you. Next, let's address the timing of your notifications with the Work Can Wait settings. This is an especially useful feature to prevent notifications from disturbing you outside of your designated work hours. Here, you can define when you are available to engage with work-related alerts. It's a simple but effective way to maintain a healthy work-life balance. By setting clear work hours, you make sure that Basecamp respects your time, saving you from unnecessary digital disruptions during your downtime. Finally, after tweaking the settings to your liking, make sure to save any changes you've implemented. Depending on the version of Basecamp you're using, your alterations might save automatically, but it's always wise to double-check for a Save button at the bottom of the page. Confirming this ensures that all your hard work isn't lost and your notification preferences are updated. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've configured your Basecamp notifications to fit your workflow perfectly. A balanced notification setting allows you to remain focused on what truly matters without missing out on important updates. If this guide has helped you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tips. Thanks for watching, and have a productive day ahead.